So guys, finally I'm back and I've gone to the market to buy all these security camera items. So join me guys while I do the unboxing of these security camera items so that you know all I bought and all that is required to do security camera installation. Let's get in. So guys, all right here are the items I bought yesterday. So guys, I'll be unboxing one after the other so that I will give you guys detailed look on how the whole thing looks, and also at the same time giving you guys a little bit of explanation so that you understand the whole thing, how it looks. So all here are analog cameras that come with a DVR. So in case you want to install cameras in your apartment, in your home, all these accessories are what you need to install cameras in your apartment, in your home. So now let's start with the unboxing. So you can see right there, I bought two cameras, the one for indoor and the one for outdoor. Now let's start with the one for indoor. You can see right here, I bought this one is for indoor. You can see high vision, just have a look. You can see indoor exit current camera, turret camera. So these indoor cameras, you can also call them dome cameras. So I'll be mounting one inside my parlor and the outdoor one at the compound to have a vision at my compound. Now to unbox it, come right here. Let's see what's inside. So in case you haven't seen how the camera looks like, have a look. So I will take time later to explain all this cable and how you can install it. I will do a proper complete tutorial videos on camera installation. Inside the carton, all here are the screws. Yes, a manual. You can have time to go through this. Nothing here. So this one is for the outdoor unit. You can also call it bullet camera. This one I will install it at the compound. This is how it looks. And this camera are just normal 2 megapixel cameras, HD cameras that you can capture your environment. They are not kind of wireless cameras. This one's use DVR, HD video output. 2 megapixels. To unbox it, come right here. This is how this one looks. You can see cables. One is power cable. You can see. So this is how it looks. You can adjust it this way. So this one is for the outdoor unit. What's inside the carton? So the cartons come with a screw you use to mount the whole thing. Here are the screws. Keep them aside. So the next one here, you can see right here is a power box. So if you want to install cameras, you should know all these things you need. Here is a power box or power supply. Is what you plug in the wall socket. Now plug your cameras here. It's like a voltage regulator. If not, your cameras will get burned. Power supply or power box. Now let's unbox it. This is how it looks. So this is empty. So right here, here's the manual, and here's the power box. So if you are buying cameras, or if you're trying to install cameras, all these are the items you need to buy. Later, I'll tell you how much I bought them. Just have a look, and I will also explain later in my tutorial on how you can install them. So yes, this one right here, plug it right here, then plug this on the socket, then plug your cameras here. So here is like a voltage regulator that protects surge in power surge. So here are the BNC connectors. Right here are connectors you need. So you must have to buy for the two cameras. You need, here are the BNC connectors. You can see them, right? So you must buy all these BNC connectors. Right, this one is for the power cable, while this one is for the camera video cables. I will show you guys on how you can use all these. So these basic connectors are what you use to connect to this extension cable into your camera and to the power box right here. So we must buy all these. Look at. So right here is my HDMI cable. So this cable is what you use to connect to the DVR right here, then into your computer or into your television, so that you can be viewing from, or you can be having a view of what the camera is recording. So you must buy this HDMI cable. You can see this is how it looks. You can see, right? So every television has an HDMI cable port. So you plug it to into your television or laptop, then to the DVR. So right here is the cable. You must need a cable that you use to connect to the camera and to the DVR. So this very cable here, you can see now, let me show you. This very cable here has two cables. This cable here has two cables. This one here, this one right here is called the power cable, while this one right here is called the washer cable. So this cable contains two in one. You can see it's like a modern cable. You can see these ones here, this part here are called the power cables, are what you connect to the camera to bring power from camera to the power box. While this one right here is called the coaxial cable, is what bring visuals to the camera. Later I will explain the whole thing. So if you are buying all these things, go to the shop and the cameraman or your installer can tell you all these to buy. But in case you're planning to learn to install by yourself, just take notes and know all these are the items you must buy to be able to install a camera in your apartment. Now let's go to the almighty DVR. So you can see this box here. This is actually a DVR, Turbo HD DVR. You can see, right? You can have time to go through the whole thing. So DVR is where all the power, all the settings, and all the recording happens. Now to unbox it, you see. Let's see what's inside. From here, we have a mouse. The mouse is what we'll plug in the DVR and then use our television or laptop to do all the settings we want. It has these cables. These cables are what you use to connect to the hard drive. You must buy a hard drive. But unfortunately, I didn't buy a hard drive that we install in the DVR because I have an external hard drive. So I have my own external hard drive that I will be using. So I didn't buy the other hard drive, but I will show you how you can use this external hard drive. It's still all the same thing. So you must buy a hard drive. If you are going there, you must get the hard drive, and the hard drive, here are the cables you must connect with it. But for me, I use my own external hard drive. So it's still for the hard drive connection. Okay, here's the charger. You plug this on the socket, then use this one and plug to the DVR to bring power to the DVR. You can see. Nothing else this side. Now let's pull out the DVR. There is the manual. So right here is a DVR. DVR means digital video recorder. So this is actually a 4-channel DVR, which means that this DVR can only contain 4 cameras. But for me, I bought only 2. So if I have like 4 cameras, this DVR can have 4 cameras, or can power 4 cameras, or can carry 4 cameras. There are some 16 channels DVR, 24 channels DVR, all depends. But mine is just 4 channels DVR. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cameras can be used here. This is how it looks. Here's the front. Here's the front. Look. So this DVR right here, if you buy an internal hard drive, you have to screw out all this screw here. You screw out, then pull this out, then install the hard drive right inside. But maybe in my next video, guys, I will show you how you can install a hard drive inside your DVR. So this is how it looks. And later I will take time to explain all this and how you can connect all this. Here's the HDMI port. As I said, you must get a HDMI cable. You bring it right here, connect right here, and then use this other side and connect inside the television or laptop so that you can be seeing the whole video recording. So this DVR is where you can put the hard drive that can store all the video footage inside it. You can see. So guys, all here are the items, all the equipment, all the accessories you need to install a camera in your house. Take a look at them again. All here are the complete accessories. So if you're planning to install cameras in your house, here are the unboxing of the complete accessories. So you can see them, right? So don't worry, I'll make several videos out of this. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching and bye.